Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you a simple but incredibly effective project. Don't throw away old oil filters. We can turn them into a compact, portable stove, powerful enough to heat up or cook during a camping trip or a harsh winter evening without gas or firewood. The first step, and certainly the most important for your safety, is thorough cleaning. You must remove all the filter cores and scrub away any remaining grease inside. I'll use a little sand and dish soap, shake it, and then rinse it with water. This is an extremely important detail. If the filter isn't perfectly clean, the stove will produce unpleasant black smoke and a persistent odor that can spoil your food. Once completely dry, we move on to marking and drilling the vent holes. I like to use a small, non-fading marker to mark the vent holes. These positions aren't random, they're core to the design, determining the flame stability and overall fuel efficiency of the stove, resulting in powerful performance. If the holes are too large, the fuel will evaporate too quickly. If too small, there won't be enough oxygen to create the ideal blue flame. Next, I'll use copper tubing to make the gas ducts. I cut each section 5 centimeters long and bent them into L shapes. It's not very neat. If you have another way, please let me know in the comments. Now I'll install them into the stovetop panel I drilled earlier. I'm preparing pieces of carbon fiber to put inside the filter. They help me save fuel and retain heat during combustion. Okay, I'm preparing the AB glue. I'll stir it thoroughly to ensure the components are evenly mixed and bond effectively. I'll apply it to the stove surface first, creating an airtight and pressure-resistant joint. We'll wait until the glue dries and hardens before finishing. Okay, as you can see, the finished stove is very compact. It fits in the palm of my hand. Next, I'll create the fuel inlet. Regarding fuel, I always prefer denatured alcohol because it burns cleanly and safely. To be as precise as possible, I used a syringe to inject exactly 250 milliliters into the stove body. Just one spark is enough. Now observe carefully. The blue flame begins to spread evenly. This is a sign of complete combustion. No smoke, no soot, and no odor. To truly test its capabilities, I placed a large cup of water on this tiny stove. Despite its unremarkable appearance, it brought the water to a rolling boil in just a few minutes. With such a steady flame, you can easily prepare a delicious pot of tea in the wilderness. This stove isn't just a DIY project, it's proof that we can master our surroundings with simplicity and ingenuity. Thank you for your time with me today. I look forward to reading your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.